About receipt number, yeah, and invoice number, yeah, both are control number, yeah. Unlike transaction number, yeah, each transaction will get a number. Receipt number will get a number only when a receipt is issued, yeah, same as invoice, yeah. Invoice will issue a number when an invoice is issued, yeah. Receipt number can be seen in here, yeah. Let's go to the program. In setup, here receipt browser, yeah. This module is a receipt number control module, yeah. Receipt number control module. Same, yeah, for the invoice, you can see in here. Invoice control number, yeah. This module control the invoice, yeah. Both are control number. Let's come back to the receipt first. Now, currently my last receipt number is 7671. Now to see how this works, yeah, I'm going to the sell module now. I'm open a transaction and I do a sell, and then I issue a receipt, yeah. Full payment receipt. Yes. So now in this case we can see that 7672 is the receipt number. If you come down to the control module, you can see that last receipt number is 7672 issued by operator Michael, which is the current user. Okay, let's see the same example for the invoice. Invoice, come here, my last invoice is 104.52. So if I go to the sell module, let me complete this one. Okay, and then I'm going to sell another transaction and with invoice. F5, select customer, and one item sell, payment, issue an invoice, continue. Yes, you can see that our invoice number now is 104.53. You will come to the control module, do a refresh, you can see that 104.53 issued by Michael. Now for these two modules, yeah, receipt number and invoice number, yeah, which these two modules is self-managed module, yeah. I go back to the receipt. Okay, if this module will hold up to 5,000 record, yeah, 5,000 record. Okay, this module hold up to 5,000 record, yeah. It will automatically move top record to the archive batch. Now this is the data batch, same as the transaction number module, yeah. If we move some of the record, when this record number exceeding 5,000, the top portion will be moved to archive batch in here. This is the archive batch. Now back to the current data batch. Of course, user can manually move some of this record to archive, by left click this one, and then you select how many records you want to move, and then you click the move here. You click the move in here. For example, I move 100. Okay, move. Yes, so 100 record is being moved to the archive batch. Same thing, for the invoice batch, invoice number also the same, invoice number also the same. User can move manually, okay. And one last point about these two modules is that whenever there is a changing year, to January of new year, every record in these two modules will be moved to the archive batch, and then this number in here will be reset, which is mean whenever there is a new year, receipt number will reset itself. Same can be said for the invoice number, it will reset itself. Everything in this old data will be moved to the archive. Now as for the archive record, archive record in here I have 24,000. Archive record will not delete itself, it must be deleted by the user, must be deleted by the user. For example, I go to the top, I left click this button, and I select how many records I want to delete. For example, delete 1000. Okay, then I click delete. So the record in the archive must be deleted by the user. Okay, this is about the receipt number and the invoice